It's 7 p.m., you're exhausted and completely out of groceries, and you're about to spend $25 on takeout, which won't even arrive in 30 minutes. Well, what if I told you these Trader Joe's frozen items under $5 can save your dinner in 5 minutes and taste better than takeout? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing two of my favorite Trader Joe's frozen items, which are the vegetable gyozas and the veggie masala burgers, and upgrade them into meals that you'll actually enjoy. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Let's start with the vegetable gyoza. In a pan, I'm heating up a little bit of oil and I'm adding the gyozas in. I want them to get nice and crispy on the bottom, and this takes about a minute or so. Now I'm pouring a little water on top, covering the pan and cooking it for around 5 to 6 minutes. While that's happening, I'm making my favorite quick 2-minute sauce, for which I'm combining soy sauce, maple syrup, Szechuan chutney, which you can get in any Indian store, grated fresh ginger, garlic powder, mushroom powder for that extra umami flavor, which you can totally skip, and just mixing everything. Once the gyozas are cooked, I'm adding them right into the sauce and coating them completely and serving them hot, and that is literally it. Now for the masala burger. I'm just pan frying the burger patty without any oil for 5 to 6 minutes, flipping halfway through. While that's cooking, I'm making my burger sauce. Instead of mayo, I'm using Greek yogurt because it's healthier and tastes amazing. So I'll just combine the Greek yogurt, mustard, ketchup, pepper, salt and garlic powder, and that's it. Your sauce is ready. When the patty is almost done, and on the side I also toasted some bread, which is my favorite protein multigrain bread from Trader Joe's as well. Now the only thing left is assembling everything together. I'm also slicing some tomatoes, onions, and I already have some chopped lettuce. I'll add some cheese on top so it melts perfectly. And this sandwich is now ready to eat. Both of these are my emergency to-go meals when I'm super exhausted, I have nothing in my fridge, not even leftovers, or if I'm on my period and I'm feeling so tired that I can't even cook. They're delicious, they're filling, and most importantly, they not only save you energy but also a lot of time and money. They are the real lifesavers when you need food real fast. So if this video inspired you to get creative with the frozen items you already have, like wontons, spring rolls, whatever it might be, let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, especially for I need food now moments, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.